Hello everyone, in this video I will review Venice AI. Venice AI is an AI-powered platform designed to streamline content creation, especially for teams working on marketing, SEO, and social media. It aims to speed up the entire writing process using AI models tailored for brand voice and accuracy. When you start using Venice AI, you'll be able to generate blog posts, ad copy, social content, and even emails in one place. What makes it different from basic AI routers is its collaborative workspace. It lets teams review, edit, and refine content together, keeping everything organized. The platform also supports features like long-form writing, brand tone training, plagiarism checks, and built-in SEO tools. This makes it useful for marketing agencies, startups, and solo creators who want high-quality content without bouncing between apps. Overall, Venice AI is not a scam, it's a legit tool. Whether it's worth it depends on your needs. If you're part of a team that needs consistent, fast, and brand-aligned content, it could be a great investment. But if you're just looking for occasional AI writing help, simpler and cheaper tools might do the trick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.